What is the value of anything? Is that all? Or there's more? Generally, value of any entity evolves from a whole lot of other things. And fairly so. How is it then, when it comes to organization, it's only the financial figures that determine their value? We aimed to bring about a change and partnered with KPMG to devise a comprehensive system that measures our actions on a logical and credible scale. And we arrived at the concept of true value. The value of an organization is more than just the financials. The true picture lies in the sum total of our actions. Because it is when social and environmental results are added to the equation that we get the true value. At Ambuja, we are committed to bettering ourselves in every sphere. While estimating our true value, we realized that there is no way we can be profitable while ignoring all of that. And we vowed to place back every drop that we use and maintain every equilibrium that we disturb. To conserve water, check dams were built, rivers were linked, and new methods of irrigation were employed. Rainwater harvesting was also introduced and used quarries were converted into wetlands. We then focused on substituting raw materials and waste materials. It transformed into a wonderful cycle of production. The plastic equivalent to the amount used in making cement bags made its way to the kilns. Wind and solar energy was harnessed in great measure. The introduction of fly ash-based cement further helped in conserving natural resources. This method not only made use of waste material produced by power plants, it also cut emissions. To further cut the effects of emissions, sea transport was increasingly adopted for the movement of materials, and captive ports were created for this environmental-friendly method of shipment. Overland belt conveyors were also installed to enable transportation of limestone from mines to the plant without contributing to vehicular pollution. Results? We gave back to the environment more than we could ever take. By becoming water positive, carbon emissions were reduced, and we burnt more plastics than we used, becoming a plastic positive company. But our strongest effect has been on people's lives, and a positive one. By opting for surface mining as opposed to the traditional method, we have succeeded in keeping the community closer. The Ambuja Cement Foundation tackled broad issues like water management, skill building, better farming techniques, healthcare services, and education. The Skills and Entrepreneurship Development Institutes were set up to equip them with the new work skills. Having achieved progress with the outside world, the team turned their attention to the core of the company, the employees. The first thing that they did was lower numbers of employee risk. The policy of zero harm was aggressively and relentlessly pursued. Programs like We Care, People Power, and the overarching spirit of I Can have empowered our people to be their own agents of change. As it turns out, a safe environment and a healthy employee always attributes in creating more value for the organization. While true value is a novel concept, the proof is always in the numbers. Ambuja made a net positive contribution to the environment and the society. However, one of the keys to achieving any long-term plan is to integrate it within the process of an organization at every level. By following a few steps, we hope to pave the path to a greener future. Step 1. Engage with stakeholders in creation and recognition of true value. Step 2. Communicate key results of the True Value project. Step 3. Involve other parties to support and promote the development of a common methodology. The True Value approach can encourage a shift in the cement sector and more widely in the Indian and global business communities. The future may be uncertain, but our plans to protect it are assured.